Yeah.
They're game changers.
I can't afford those. I just use hot hands.
I can't afford those, but I can go through 100 packs of hot hands. With
the first one I've used all year. So
a nice Sitka gear.
And they're from last year. Shut up, Aaron.
Hi there, buddy. You ready, buddy? It's cold, isn't it? Yeah. Still ain't running a vest on old Frederick. The vest really restricts his hips, so he's ready to go, you know. Good boy, sit. Good. Fetch him up, okay? You hold. Man, they're doing the same thing. They're cutting right beside the decoy spread. Whew. The wind is picking up big time. What do you got there? Tylenol.
No headache today.
Got a headache today? Party too late?
No, I went to bed early.
What time did you hit the sack?
8:30, 9 o'clock.
8:30. Me and Beth stayed up with all the clients till about 10:30. It's always fun, especially the last night. Me and the family try to stay up and gab with everybody and socialize as much as possible before they have to leave. This is our client's last day here, and we got one more group before Christmas, and then we get a good Christmas break to be all of us to be with our families. So all the guys will head home for 3, 4, 5 days, whatever it is, and we'll all regather and hit it hard right after the holidays. I want to wish you guys happy holidays. It's in my family, Christmas is the #1 holiday on our list. We can't wait for it every year. The kids love it, we love it. We had the tree up when you guys got back from Thanksgiving.
Yep, looks nice in there.
Yeah, it does.
Real nice.
Beth does a great job,
yeah,
doesn't she?
Absolutely. She loves doing it, though, I think. She likes to get the Christmas cheer going.
If it wasn't for Beth, the lodge would smell like...
Probably a locker room.
A locker room / dirty chonies / yeah, like a wrestling mat. I don't know. Big shout out to my wife. She works her rear end off. One of the biggest compliments we've had all season is this is the most organized guide service I've ever been to. The way that Beth takes care of the clients and gives them all the information and scheduling them and answers all their questions, make sure that they're completely ready to go. That's the #1 thing that we always get. So big shout out to my wife, Beth. I love you. Shoot him! There we go. 5. Good job, guys. Shoot him! 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Good, Fred. Fetch it up. Hey, let's go. Good dog. Yeah. They crawled over the field. Yeah. Come on, Fred. Here, buddy, here. Come on, buddy. Come on. Here. Drop. Fred. No bands. Yeah. Come on, Fred. Let's go, buddy. Get in here. Good. Drop. Drop. Hit. Set. Right here. Set. Good boy. What did we drop? 2 specks?
Yep.
Okay. Here's the first one. Come on, Frederick. Drop. Drop. Oh, look at him. Oh!
There's your mounder bird.
There's
boys.
your, look, well, his wing's completely
Well, that's
demolished.
okay. They can fix that.
That's a good looking speck. Woo, that's a beauty right there, boys. Shoot the two. Shoot the two. Nice. Fred.
Good shot.
Here. Good boy. Come on. Come on, Freddie. Good. Set. Drop. There we go. Another lesser down, baby. Come on, guys. Smash the thumbs up for Fred. Look how jacked up he is. That a guy. Set. Good boy. Shoot him right there, guys. Two. I wasn't gonna wait.
Watch that one.
Yep, got a sailor. Here we go. I'm not gonna wait, because if we wait, we lose him. Fetch! Hold! Hold, here. Come on. Good, set. Set. No calling, they're doing it. Look at that. Look at that. Sit. Shoot him.
Yeah, but
Wow, that was
that
amazing.
one again.
Okay.
Okay.
Fred. Shoot him.
Yeah, buddy.
Wow, that was
Shoot
amazing.
that one again.
That was awesome. No calling, and they just give me some skin. Come on now.
You're like, what was that? I'm like, oh,
Dude, we heard all we heard was a gur gur gur, like a gur gur. And I was like, what's that?
hey, fetch it up.
Fetch it up. Let's go.
Yeah,
There's some big boys there. And then there's some donkeys. Let's go. He, good boy. That's a big bird. That's my guy. Come on. That's a big dog and a big bird for a big situation. Sit. Back.
Should we play the game, bud?
Should we play the game? It's definitely not banded.
No band.
No band. Bummer. It's all right. We got one more to look at. One more to look at. Come on. Close your eyes. Don't be trying to see his legs now. Don't do it. No band on him. Here. Sit. Drop. Drop. That's it. Nope, no band. Honk daddies. No calling. I thought they were going to come back hard and do it. Well, next day, the hunt went pretty much exactly how I figured it would. With it being that cold, that was our first big cold day coming off a warm trend. Whenever we have these huge fluctuations, like warm, warm, warm for like a week and then it goes, and with clouds like this, all of a sudden the geese change and all their patterns change, their schedules change. So, you know, I always like to come here and give my 2 cents for the day. We did our best. We did our best. Honestly, I just could. I don't think there were some shot calls on the left side. If I hadn't have been on the left side and maybe on the right, the clients could have shot a lot more on the left. But neither here or there. What do you do? Big news. Killer Kurt. Y'all know Killer Kurt. He's the one that does all of our taxidermy inside the lodge here. Check it out.
Where are we gonna put them?
I don't know. Where do you want to? Where do you think we ought to put them? Turned out awesome. Hold them up. Show everybody at home. This is my Brant from Alaska.
Dude,
So you got, yeah.
I've never seen one.
Oh, you haven't?
No, they're all backed up.
What a beauty.
Oh,
Got 'em
dude,
on
we
a
got
log.
Patrick the starfish, too.
Yeah, we got Patrick got caught in this one.
That looks awesome. Look at him. Good job, Kurt. Dude, that looks awesome, man. What a beauty. Man. Thank you, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, thank you. Where should we put him?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know either. He's got to be down here, right?
Yeah, he has to be seen.
Yeah, he's got to be.
All right,
What
let's
about-
do some snooping.
What about?
All right, hang him on the elk.
Yeah, hang him on the elk. Well, that's spot. I think that's the right call. He'll be down here so people can see him. And it kind of look how the wing kind of goes over the light. That's neat.
Which is that?
That's cool. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, isn't that neat? Can't really see him on here very well. That's
He's so dark.
It is a black bird, dude. Just a black. They are black.
That's a weird crow.
Come on now, this is not OSHA recommended.
No.
Well, we found the spot. Kurt got all of them done. Got the dead mount done. Check that out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Put them right next to each other on each side of the light. That's going to be the move.
Oop.
Oh yeah, that's going to be perfect. Dude, that's beautiful. How wouldn't you like that?
Need like 30 of them.
The Bobcat might need to go.
Where do you want to put the bobcat?
I don't know. That's just
I'm
not.
good with moving the bobcat. I just didn't know where to put it.
I don't know. Now having the birds like lined up looks really good. You know what? Dude, that's sweet. I like it a lot.